Tired of bulky, inconvenient locks that barely deter a determined thief? What if there was a lock that offered serious protection without weighing you down? Today, we're diving into the Lambolt electric scooter lock, and I've got to say, it's making a strong case for itself. First impressions. This thing feels solid. We're talking 5mm thick alloy steel, reinforced with hardened ABS. That's not just a number. It's a statement of intent against cutting, sawing, and even smashing. The embedded rivet technology is a smart touch, adding extra leverage resistance, which means a thief would have a much harder time trying to pry it open. For anyone who's ever worried about their e-bike or scooter disappearing, that heavy-duty anti-theft design is a huge peace of mind. But here's where the Lambolt really shines. Its compact, foldable design. You know the drill with U-locks or chains, they're often a pain to carry. This lock, however, folds down to a tiny 5.2 by 6.7 centimeters and weighs just 0.71 kilograms. That's incredibly light for the level of security it offers. It comes with 26 thick alloy steel links, giving you a generous 78 to 85 centimeters of locking circumference. That's enough to secure your bike frame to a pole, or even two bikes together, without feeling restrictive. And the best part? It includes a mounting bracket with nylon straps and screws, so you can easily attach it to your bike frame. No more rattling in your backpack or awkwardly hanging off your handlebars. Then there's the convenience factor. This is a 4-digit combination lock, which means no keys to lose, no fumbling in the dark. You can reset the password whenever you need to, making it super user-friendly for daily commutes, or even if you share your ride. It's compatible with pretty much anything on two wheels: bicycles, e-bikes, scooters, motorcycles, and the soft rubber coating isn't just for looks. It protects your frame from scratches and helps prevent corrosion, extending the lock's lifespan. I've been really impressed with its versatility. Whether you're locking up a mountain bike, a road bike, or an electric scooter, it adapts well. The secure mounting ensures it stays put even on bumpy roads, which is a small detail that makes a big difference in daily use. It's not just for vehicles either. Think gates, fences, toolboxes, anywhere you need reliable security. Overall, the Lambolt electric scooter lock strikes an excellent balance between robust security and practical portability. It feels like a genuinely thoughtful solution for anyone serious about protecting their ride without adding unnecessary bulk or hassle. It's a strong contender for your next anti-theft upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.